Hello students and welcome to Network Teaming in CentOS 7 and Red Hat 7. What is network bonding? Network bonding is a method of combining two or more network interfaces together into a single interface. It will increase the network throughput, bandwidth, and will give redundancy. If one interface is down or unplugged, the other one will keep the network traffic up and alive. Network bonding can be used in situations where you need redundancy, fault tolerance, or load balancing networks. Linux allows us to bond multiple network interfaces into a single interface using a special kernel module named bonding. The Linux bonding driver provides a method for combining multiple network interfaces into a single logical bonded interface. The behavior of the bonded interfaces depend upon the mode. Generally speaking, modes provide either hot standby or load balancing services.